Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add a TXT record in Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So the first thing that you need to do guys is log into your Wix account. After that, go to the domain settings. From your Wix dashboard, click on settings from the left sidebar. In the settings menu, click on domains or go directly to manage domains if you already have one set up. Select relevant domain. If you have multiple domains, select the domain for which you want to add the TXT record. Access the DNS settings. Once you're in the domain's settings page, scroll down to find DNS settings. Click on Manage DNS records to access your DNS configuration. Add a TXT record. In the DNS records section, click the Add Record button. From the record type dropdown, select TXT. Enter the TXT record details. You will need the following information typically provided by the service you're setting up. Host name, often left blank or set as @ for the root domain, but it can also be as a subdomain. Value, the content of the TXT record, such as verification code or SPF or DKIM key. TTL, this can usually be left at the default. Save the TXT record. After entering the details, click on Save and wait for the propagation. DNS changes, including TXT records, may take some time to propagate across the internet. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 48 hours for the changes to be fully reflected. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.